everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we're making some extra crunchy granola. I love to make this recipe because I think it's perfect to have in the morning for breakfast or to add on to your smoothies to give it a little bit of a crunch. So without any further ado, let's begin. I start with some honey. I used 80 grams, but if you would like to have your granola a little bit extra sweet, you can add in 10 to 20 more grams of honey or another sweetener, such as maple syrup or just plain sugar. I pour in the sunflower oil or any light vegetable oil of your choice and the milk. I'm using rice milk. Mix it well until the honey is melted. And then I add the dry ingredients. I used rolled oats, pumpkin seeds, and some nuts. I cut some in smaller pieces and I also left some whole. And the nuts I used are mostly peeled almonds because that's what I had at home, but there are also a few hazelnuts and pistachio in there. That's what I like about making granola at home, is kind of like you can really make it your own by throwing in there whatever you like the most. So don't worry if you don't have pumpkin seeds or almonds, just substitute them with another nut or seed and it will be great. I added also a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Once the mixture is ready, I pour it into a large pan with some parchment paper. It is important to spread it around well so that it cooks evenly. I bake it for about 25 minutes in a preheated oven at 340 Fahrenheit, and for 2 times while it was cooking, I gave it a good stir. The cooking time may vary based on the size of the pan you're using and how much you flatten the granola. Once it's done cooking, I let it cool down completely. And my tip to get it a little bit extra crunchy is to put it back in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes after it has been cooled down. At the end, you'll get this nice and crunchy granola that you can have for breakfast or as a snack. You can also add in some dry fruits, raisins or chocolate chip. I left mine kind of basic this time. Once it's cooled down completely, you can store it in an airtight container for about 2 weeks and enjoy. I'm having mine with a little bit of peach yogurt. I'm really excited to try it out. It's so good. I can't stop eating it. It's literally my favorite granola ever. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. And also, if you appreciate my video, please leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new weekly videos. Thank you. Bye guys.